Today, MOSTRO presents a new polishing machine. It's called Multi-Station NC Outer Polishing Machine. As we know, to polish a cookpot external, it has three areas to be polished: the edge, the body, and the bottom. It can be by three different machines to work on that, and here we combine them into one machine with three process automatic. Let MOSTRO engineer Mr. Tom operate it to see how it works. On the body, it is polished from flat wheel to sisal wheel and the cross wheel. After that, the bottom and the edge, polishing accordingly. It saves space, workers, and the speed is faster with high efficiency. For more details, contact MOSTRO Machine.